Jayla, can you turn off the water, please? Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What's going on, guys? UOttawaScotty here. As you can tell from the intro of this video, we've had a plumbing disaster. This happened about 3 weeks ago. It's all cleaned up now. I've got it all under control, but it was a little bit of a nightmare. We're going to go through the whole thing. There's a lot of interesting aspects of plumbing and a lot of engineering and science kind of topics here too that we'll touch on. To sum it up, Jayla's family lives in Alberta, so every now and then Jayla will go to Alberta for extended periods of time just to visit her family, which leaves your boy UOttawaScotty here home alone. What I generally do when I'm home alone is play a lot of really loud music, loud guitar, and I start staying up really late. But that's actually a good thing, because what happened was the house sprung a leak in the basement. It was a bad one, and I happened to be up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Good thing too, because all of my music gear is down here. So it would have been awful. No doubt an insurance claim or something like that, but I caught it, and it's a good thing I did. And anyways, this is what happened. Okay guys, this is what I was actually doing when the leak occurred. I was actually recording a video for you guys detailing my acoustic guitar setup. I was pretty excited to do this, and I had all kinds of other music related content planned, but that was all put on hold. This video never got made, actually turned into a plumbing video. I do promise to get this video out, re-record it and get it out. Definitely some things that I would like to say about it. But back to the plumbing disaster. Seems like my worst nightmare came true here. Coming down here, this is where the noise is coming from. Come into the pump room, and all I see is like a fire hydrant amount of water just shooting this way. As you can see, it's still pretty wet. It's still dripping a little bit. Just shooting water this way into the storage area. So I've taken out everything here and started drying it up. What it all comes down to is this. That goes in there, and you can see it's not there anymore. Everything here is in pretty bad condition. I got a lot of work to do here. I'm sure you all can appreciate that, but I'm gonna document the work, hopefully make a good video out of it. Okay guys, here's the main send and return lines. This is a jet pump, so there is an accelerator in the well, which I'll show you what that looks like in a second here. But what I've got to do now is somehow get these fittings off this PVC here. And I'm going to use a torch just to warm it up a bit. I'm going to be pretty careful. Try and pull these off. Okay guys, finally made it to the hardware store. There is nobody in this hardware store today except for me, so I guess that's the advantages of this snow squall that has moved in. So right now we're in the plumbing section going through all the little pieces and doodads and fittings. I am not a professional plumber, self-taught, but I can say that I love all of these little pieces. It's one of the great joys of plumbing is just putting all these little parts together. Really love it. We've got some beautiful brass fittings. We've got your copper here, we've got your nylon, we've got your polyethylene. Here is a 1-inch valve that I'm going to use as the main water shutoff, and I'll also use this as a back pressure valve for the pump head. Over here we have galvanized steel fittings. Now I'm going to steer well clear of these fittings here and would highly recommend if you're on a well to steer clear of these as well. If you have hard water or a lot of minerals in your well water, these galvanized steel fittings will eventually rust out really badly. Beautiful.